बिग बॉस भी जब मैं देखती थी, आपके और करण के जर्नी को हमने देखा है, एंड आई हैव वॉच दैट। 3 साल हो चुके हैं एंड अभी भी
3 या 4 हो गए,
4 साल हो चुके हैं। तो हर साल सलमान खान भी यही बोलते हैं कि बिग बॉस के रिश्ते टिकते नहीं हैं, बट टच वुड 4 साल हो चुके हैं। एंड whenever I look at you and Karan, I look at your pictures, I look at you guys together doing the aarti at home or cooking or any masti that twinkle in your eyes when you look at him.
Yeah.
It makes me very happy, and also makes me believe that love, old school love exists.
Yeah, exists.
And I'm a proud cheerleader of Tejran.
How sweet. Thank you.
So, how is it? Like, a relationship is an everyday work.
Totally. Relationship is a lot of work. It is not, how do I say it? I've seen these couples who don't even talk to each other, or probably just make like one phone call a day, and then I'm like, pure din, you know, you didn't get a call from your partner. So we are not one of those. My partner really trusts me and I really trust them, and like, I know, but it's not about the trust. It's about just taking it so much for granted that you don't miss the other person for so long that you just don't want to hear their voice. It's not about that if I call my partner is because I'm like doubting my partner. That's stupid.
I want to hear his voice.
Yeah, I just want to hear his voice, or just like do like a normal video call for just like, it could be like 10 seconds. And then just hang up and be like, I didn't call you for any reason, okay, bye. Or just like anything. How can you, to me it's very weird when they, like, two people are not like obsessed with each other, because then there's no fun to it. There's no, I don't get it really.
I agree that obsession has to be there. Of
yeah,
course.
And there should be like they should be on your mind, and if they're not on your mind because you know, she must be doing her thing, or like he must be doing, and like I feel it's just a defense mechanism of like just not being interested in calling them. Because they're not interesting. Like, you know, you're not interested. क्या ही बात करेगा? छोड़, मैं रात को सोने से पहले good night call कर दूंगी.
I think वो efforts की बात है. Efforts शायद लेना
नहीं चाहते. Or
there's
no excitement.
Yeah.
Or they are actually bored of each other. They're actually like क्या ही बात करेंगे? क्या खाना खाया? ये क्या बात करने की बात है क्या? They're actually just bored of each other.
But excitement की बात, you know, ये हम देखते हैं कि कुछ time के बाद वो excitement level खत्म हो जाता है.
Not necessary.
What should one do to keep that
कुछ भी कर लो.
कुछ
भी कर लो. And I mean like do something stupid, travel, do anything. कलेश ही कर लो. कसम से बता रही हूँ, कुछ भी कर लो, पर कुछ करो. It shouldn't be like dead. Like अरे है, प्यार है, पता है कुछ नहीं करेगा, कुछ नहीं करेगी. हाँ ठीक है, मतलब साथ में रह रहे हैं, or like something like. It's just, at least that's the thing about me and Karan, that he was very clear, like, you know, we can't get boring. I was like, yeah, because I get bored, and he's like, I also get bored. I was like, we can't let each other get bored. There's no way. So we always keep each other on our toes. So yeah, that's very like there. They can never be, or like get dogs. Dude, get a French bulldog. You'll never be bored. Frenchies are mad. Like my French bulldog is a mad dog, and then there's the fat one. There's the British bulldog, he's cute. But so keep yourself entertained. Go for a drive, or just kuch bhi. Yeah, do something basically. Yeah.
रियलिटी शोज आपने जब करना शुरू किया तो लाइफ में क्या चेंजेस आए हैं? लाइक हाउ हैव दे स्टार्टेड परसीविंग यू डिफरेंटली, क्योंकि उन्हें आपको डेली शोज में देखने की एक आदत थी, और मे बी ये कह सकते हैं कि आपको अपना रियल सेल्फ बाहर उनको दिखाना था. दैट्स व्हाई यू पार्टिसिपेटेड इन रियलिटी शोज.
I think I was noticed a lot more because of reality shows. Like my first reality show was Khatro, and people and if Big Boss was 4 years back, imagine when Khatro was. It was like long back.
Still people
and
remember.
People still
it
talk
is so
about
fresh
it.
in the mind.
It is so fresh in the mind. And even I was just thinking the other day that Nagin was a show which ran for almost 2 years, and it feels like 2 months. So it is not like कोई actors होते हैं जो ऐसा content देते हैं जो सिर्फ जिन्हें आप सिर्फ एक reality show में देखना पसंद करेंगे. क्योंकि अगर उनकी एक्टिंग आपने देखी तो आपको वो अच्छी नहीं लग रही है. And they're not actors, they're just like these content giver contestants that of course the makers also just get for content purely,
for entertainment.
Yeah, for entertainment only. So of course you love watching them and their real self because they're very entertaining. But for me what's happened is after let's just say like a Khatro, if I did a Marathi film, people have watched it. Or while Khatro, I was doing Silsila Badalte Rishton Ka. Haan. So that one people really loved because it was on Voot and it was a different side of me as an actor. Because वो एक OTT platform पे था तो मेरे outfits और my way of talking भी बहुत बदल गई थी. As an actor, I could really be this version of me in comparison to my other shows where I could only just do like a sari and like a pallu and stuff like that being from television. And then after Bigg Boss, people were still looking forward to watch me as Nagin. Yeah. And Nagin, which was supposed to be just for 6 months, it got so extended, it almost was 2 years. Yeah. So it wasn't like 1-2 महीने का extension. It was like triple the time.
और ये अपने आप में एक बहुत बड़ी बात
है. Yeah. ये तो which is what ये बहुत differ करता है.
बहुत.
कि कोई contestants को आप सिर्फ वो चीज़ें करते ही देखना पसंद करोगे क्योंकि वो entertaining है. और कोई लोगों को आप है जिनका आप रियल सेल्फ भी पसंद करते हो और आपको ये भी पता है कि वो एक्टर भी अच्छे हैं तो उनको आप वैसे भी देखते हो. तो मेरा बहुत फ़ायदा हुआ बिकॉज people at least started noticing me for projects and stuff like that.
So I will show you 4 to 5 pictures of yours and you just have to, it's traveling down the memory lane.
Oh.
Yeah. So this is one. I'll show it to the audience also. The Bigg Boss one. Yeah. Bigg Boss one.
How sweet. This is very sweet. Of course, this is very sweet. I was super nervous. But I was like, I thought I would win.
You knew you would win.
I thought I would win. Because I know my fans. They must have gone all out.
Of course.
ये खींच लिया होगा.
This one.
Oh, this is us in Jeddah. And yeah, that's a very, very important place for us as a family. Because ये तो हम शायद टेंट के अंदर है इसलिए मेरी मम्मी ने बुरखा नहीं पहना है. But otherwise जब हम सऊदी में थे जिद्दा में तो मम्मी used to wear a burqa. और of course हम मदीना के इतने पास है. So there was always these recitals and it was a different beautiful time there. And that's me as a baby. मेरा क्या बोलूं मुझे याद ही नहीं है मैं छोटी
हूँ. This one.
Oh, this is me and Rohit sir and our masti. Obviously.
He's very fond of you. That is very visible.
He's very fond of me and he is that one judge. There's nobody like him. There is literally nobody in the world like him. And I have met a lot of people. And that's why when I say this, trust me. Because if you're a good person and you say things with the nicest intentions, Rohit Shetty is the man who will accept you for the intentions that you have. Because I would say the randomest things and he would take it as a joke. And I feel like any other host would be like, have that thing about themselves, like I'm the host or I'm the judge and you behave yourself. He doesn't have that. And he can have that. Have you seen the man? He's huge.
Yes, I have.
He is tall, he is broad. So he can literally have that about him.
Yeah.
And he still doesn't. Like
He's
I said, he doesn't even
earth.
Have to say anything. All he has to do is just like come and stand and everybody will be like, but he's such a softie from inside. He's such a nice person. Like he's the best.
Loki.
This is a promotion for a show.
Panchayat.
This is a panchayat. Panchayat. So this was yeah.
This one.
Oh, this is my days in Swaragini when this is Bajirao Mastani, na?
Yes, Bajirao
Mastani ka promotion was happening and Ranveer and Deepika had come to the set and I was obsessed. But I was so angry because on that shoot day, the entire sequence was that something is happening and मैं छुप के देख रही हूँ the whole thing that is happening.
Okay.
तो इसलिए पूरे सीक्वेंस में मैं बुरखे में हूँ। तो रणवीर और दीपिका ने मेरी शक्ल ही नहीं देती पूरी शूट में, क्योंकि मैं पूरी शूट में बुरखे में थी। So at the end, when I took off the burqa, because I was like, can I get a picture with you guys? Was when finally they saw my face, and then they were like, "You're so pretty." I was like, "Oh, thank you."
That yes, you are very pretty.
Yeah, so both of them complimented me like.
But you know, like I'll tell you about me. So when I started seeing you, I was like, she looks exactly like Hema Malini. And
Hema Malini?
हाँ.
Oh, I think
किसी ने बोला नहीं आपको अभी तक ये?
I have got Hema Malini. I've rarely got. I've got Anushka Shetty.
That too.
Anushka
yeah, now
Shetty.
that you're saying yes.
Anushka Shetty, I get a lot. I get a lot of Anushka Shetty.
Now I can't unsee that.
है ना?
Now I can't
But I
unsee
feel it's
that.
because of the cheeks. I feel like Hema Malini ji also has like big cheeks, and so does Anushka Shetty. I think it's the cheeks and the eyes. I think like big eyes probably.
Okay.
But they're like way prettier.
So with that we wrap up this segment.
To watch the full video, click here. पूरा वीडियो देखने के लिए यहाँ क्लिक करें।